This is going to be amazing for you. I have been dreaming of living in Paris forever. Frenchman, I love older. Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all my viewers. So, if you are new here on my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Prerna. I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So, here in this channel, I share English learning videos. I share that how we can learn English naturally. So, day before yesterday, I shared one video, a little vlog that how in mostly in the weekends how we spend time with our family and watch movies and have fun together. This is what I do. Watching English movie is really very helpful to learn English. In this series, I'm sharing that how by watching movies we can learn English. So this is a very natural way of learning English. You sit with your family, enjoy on the weekends, and you can also learn English through watching movies. So you might be thinking now that is it true? Or is it really possible that while watching movies, we can learn English? Yes, this is true. While watching English movie, you can learn that how people actually speak. You will learn their expressions, their accent, and how they use those words, idiom, phrases when they speak naturally. So you will learn English through real scenarios, not just like textbook English. Second thing is that you can also improve your listening skills whenever you are watching any English movie. You will get used to of their speaking speed and their accent. At first you may not understand, but slowly and gradually you will start adapting it. So start watching English movies. This will also help you to improve your listening skills. Now the third thing which will improve is your pronunciation. Whenever you will listen or watch any English movie, your pronunciation will improve when you will listen them, that how they are speaking. So gradually and naturally you will start improving your pronunciation. So what you have to do here is that while watching movie, you just pause the movie for few minutes and you just try to repeat those dialogues just like the native speakers speak. So in this way you are going to improve your pronunciation too. Now the next thing which will improve in you, that is your confidence. Because the more you will listen, the more you will watch, and the more you will repeat, it will become natural for you. So, slowly, what will happen? You will start thinking in English and speaking in English without translating. So, by watching movies, you will also build your confidence. Now, the next thing is that you will learn English by having fun. While having fun, while watching movies, you will also improve your English. It will happen gradually if you will be consistent. If you will watch English movies regularly, so you will see a massive change in you. You don't have to pick up any textbook or mug up any grammar rules. You just sit and listen and try to read subtitles, and you will see a massive change in your speaking style, in your confidence very soon. I hope now it is clear to you that when you will watch movies, you will learn English by having fun. By watching movies, by entertainment, you can learn English. That is a very natural and a very simple way of learning English. Just experience it. I'm just telling this to you by my own experience. The moment I started indulging myself into natural activities, just like reading books, watching movies, listening to music, I have personally noticed that massive change in my speaking style and my confidence. So I'm just sharing this with you with my own experience. Now, few things you remember while watching movies. Turn on English subtitles. Watch short scenes instead of whole movie at once. Pause and repeat interesting dialogues. Write down 5 or 10 new words or phrases. Watch the same scene again without subtitles. So start watching movies and you will see a massive change in your speaking style, in your confidence, and you will become a fluent English speaker very soon.